Hi, today I'm here with my iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the Sounds and Haptics. Here we can see ringtone volume panel. Just to mute our ringtone, we should hold and slide to the left side this white dot. By this way we can mute our device ringtone. Also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons. Just first use the switcher to activate this option, and now just press to the down volume button. We just successfully also mute our ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.